College Boni Fibro, Kijing Betip Namtai, Khubor Laitkam, Tekidon Kumba Way and Lai, Kunon Kumba, South League Post Kibalat, Kenero Kadepo, Neigrihms, the contractual basis of Kidon project, Namtai project by David Department Kade Anesthesiology and Critical Care, Neigrihms Hospital, Shillong, New Kanai Not Khatpra. Application invited for Senior Research Fellow. Mau kibadon ka interest man apply Senior Research Fellow ka qualification di benong MSc Life Science, MA Social Science, and MA Master in Medical Social Work MSW degree holder. Kibalap man apply or MBBS, lane BDS, lane MVSc, lane M Pharma, ME, MTech degree holders. Kibalap man apply. Take experience benda 2 years research experience. Tenam ta kini ka number 2 MBBS kene nil non kam experience tang kini ki MSc Life Science, MA Social Science kini non kam 2 years research experience. Ke limit kede hadu life science name up to 35 plus relaxable for SCST kende be sa post name. Teka tulop non ta kini kende 10,000 sau spa. Tau kan mau kene kede ka contractual basis 1 year and purely temporary. However, project may be extended based on performance. Kan lawan extend dengan lawan kut kata pilas tui baga deka contractual. Te she's name dan kinsa page bedahden. Dan kam saar ngut ki staff nurse. 2 staff nurse te dimendap ya ka diploma in nursing or midwifery GNM or equivalent and registered nurse or ANM with any state nursing council. GNM nani ANM kilawan apply. Take experience nil mendongkam te up to 30 years relaxable for SCST kemudian ba handu life science name. Take tulop hane kadai life way hajar sanspa. Nam tak staff nurse life way hajar sanspa. Kemamo kebakwa apply. Te nam tak data entry operator kadan kawai ke post kebalan. Take inebde qualification depende intermediate class 12 lane class or 12 pass in science stream from recognized board. Dependep yaga DOEACC A level from a recognized institute. A speed test of not less than 15,000 key depression per hour through speed test on computer. 2 years experience in EDP work in government, autonomous, PSU or any other recognized organization. Kemudian kam asnem experience up to 28 years. Te relaxable for SCST kadebit sans name. Te kemudian ba hadu life ho life name. Natulop hangne kandai khat prahajar kane barok gine gide purely temporary and contractual kande she's name then kinsa extended can dependent on the project ma te kumno ban apply sangap ha ki bakwa ban apply nam ta gini post balan interested candidate should fill the attached format as an annexure 1 la dap lupa format la don pa ha kane ka PDF la check na website kane format pihak pendap ha kane format print ya kane format ka dap I laban page na pokok website sabuk link ru ba kadon kane advertisement te print ya kane ka format pendap ya kane sa submit mah pendap ya tu tang nawang next one and attach the latest resume with attested copies of the certificate support of age educational qualification relevant experience extra attach lang tu buat ka resume baro ki documents baro pihak submit lang haju. The application should be submitted to the Department of Anesthesiology, Critical Care, Neigrihms, Public Support Neigrihms, must submit hagane ka department. The last date of submission of application will be on 28 July. Mau ka last date kali 28 July. Kinom shimshu lakut ya ka last date. The selection process the can permit shwaya ka shortlisted candidate ladabun te permit shwaya shortlisted candidate tang kiba eligible kila ban late. A walk-in interview, candidate walk-in interview, and a skill test of the shortlisted candidate will be held on 10 August. Tekar tarik ban held nam tagine nomor manam taka DO ngatagin shim shoya ka speed test, skill test. Te nam tagine gue kan leta ka walk interview. Te walk interview or skill test can be on 10 August 2023. Cekan mawa at room number 103, Department of Anesthesiology and Critical Care, Neigrihms from 9 AM onwards. Tenam ta kijing tip ba company la dai kan permi ya shortlisted na igno kan permi bi hapok kan Neigrihms website ta kan mau ban check we ka website from time to time kan mau mo te kine baro kan dai ka purely contractual piap submit lang ba kan ka format la dap ai format te sa kan mau ban ke last date kan dai 28 July participatory August kande ka interview lane ka skill test. Term and condition decision of the committee okay non kam application will complete rejected and no objection non kam the sole responsibility of candidate the website okay. Kin bu baik mo kamau ngakumbang ala pentip but it is the sole responsibility of the candidate to regularly check the institute website. Phap check by pok website nam tagi jing tip bak kin pinmi baik nang tu nam tagi shortlist date nam tagi interview date kin pinmi yang tu ma. For interview date eligibility extra no separated mail post SMS or call will be made informing about interview and no claim will be entertained in the zagan. Tekamut ba kin pinmi baik hapok website baik kinom call epi kinom pentip epi lama ke SMS Drai kin pinmi baik namba ka official website jangka www.neigrihms.gov.in tasakan mau wan check hakan ega website. Teban yo ekan informaro pihak blaik pihak ko website jangka Neigrihms. Tangin egi tip Khubor